All right, Padawan. So what do we do with these IP addresses now that we have them? Well, remember, the point of this studio is to learn how to get someone's geographical location, to drill down to where somebody might be doing something naughty with their machines. So again, sophisticated hackers are going to spoof their IP address, and this will not be useful for those kinds of high-level hacks. This is good for, high school cyberbullies. This is good for script kiddies, right? So, but it's also a way for you to build up some of your skills. So what you want to do is you want to go start here with the information that you gathered, and you want to copy the IP address, right? And you want to make sure that it's the IP address that's not connected to Amazon Technologies. This is just a bot that feeds the IP address and gets it from the real one, okay? So you want to go there, and then you want to go to this IP tracker. And it looks like it came from 1986, but you want to scroll down here, and you want to just paste this into here and get the IP info. You can read about some of the details, but what you really want is down here at the bottom. And what you want is this city, lat, and lawn, all right? And you're going to copy this, and you're going to put it onto gpscoordinates.net. You're going to scroll down, you're going to paste it here, and you want to make sure that if there's a negative, and there almost always is, that you take the negative along with it. Where did it go? There we go. All right, and you want to get the address. All right, and so that will take you to Wiseport. Now, that isn't exactly where I live. I don't live in Wiseport, but that must be the tower that it's hitting off of. Okay, so that gives me something to know, right? So I'm going to now take this ladder longitude, and I'm going to paste this into Google Maps. I'm going to hit go, and it's going to show me where I am. And then I can take a satellite view, right? And that's probably a tower within Lehigh Canal Park. So it gives me the general region if it doesn't give me the particular house. Now, as you can suspect, it is not possible to find my particular house. That's by design, right? Another tool that you can use is called What 3 Words, right? And so what this does is it gives every single square foot on the earth a GPS address. Because the way that things work now, the way that Google works, is that in order for you to find an address in Google Maps, it has to have a physical address. Well, what if you need to find something in the middle of a lake, right? How would you find something in the middle of Lehigh Canal Park? There's no addresses in there. So what you do is you paste the lat lon into there, you click go, and then it takes you right to the exact square where it's happening. So this square is where the tower is, right? And so if I drove down there right now, I would find the tower that this is pinging off of. Now, that gives us information because we can work with other agencies. And as you know from your other criminal justice courses, we often rely on other agencies. We can get more information now that we know which tower is being pinged, if it is somebody who knows how to mask his or her home IP address, right? So once you get to here, I want you to take a screenshot, and you have completed this part of the tutorial.